These flying dragon videos are going absolutely viral right now. This Instagram page got over 17,000 followers, and some of his videos got thousands of views. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can create videos like these for free. Here is what I made in less than 2 minutes. First, go to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs and search for a flying dragon videos generator. Then click on the generator. ChatGPT will automatically generate 10 video and image ideas. You just pick the number you like. For example, I am going to pick number 5, and in seconds, ChatGPT will give you image and video prompts. All you need is to copy the prompts. Then head over to this website. By the way, if you want to know how to use this tool, please go and watch this video. The link will be in the description below. On this site, paste the image prompt and click the arrow. And in seconds, the images are ready. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt, and head back to this website and paste it. Make sure you chose a video generator and wait a little. And just like that, the video is ready. Let's take a look. And it's that easy. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next viral niche.